Hello, today we're going to talk about Chapter 1, Defining the Role of Marketing in Organizations. Marketing is an activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, capturing, communicating, delivering, and exchanging offerings that have value for customers, clients, partners, and society. It strives to create value in many ways. If marketers are to succeed, their customers must believe that the firm's products and services are valuable, that they're worth more than the customers that they cost. So they're really related to the marketing role to capture. She's up. Hello, we're here to talk about marketing. Chapter 1. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and processes for creating, capturing, and communicating what the value is to our customers. It strives to create value in many ways. The customers must believe that the firm's products and services are valuable and that they're worth more to the customers than they cost. Another important and closely related role of marketing is to capture value of a product or service based on potential buyers. So marketers can enhance the value of products and services through various forms of communication, such as advertising and personal selling. Through communications, marketers educate and inform customers about the benefits of their products and services and thereby increase their perceived value. Marketers facilitate the delivery of value by making sure the right products and services are available when and where in the quantities that their customers want. Value represents the relationship of benefits to costs. Firms can improve their value by increasing benefits, reducing costs, or both. The best firms integrate a value orientation into everything they do. If an activity doesn't increase benefits or reduce costs, it probably shouldn't occur. So successful firms integrate marketing throughout their organizations so that marketing activities coordinate with other functional areas such as product design, production, logistics, and human resources, enabling them to get the right product at the right time. Marketing helps facilitate the smooth flow of goods through the supply chain all the way from raw materials to the consumer. From a personal perspective, the marketing function facilitates your buying process and can create and support your career goals. Marketing also can be important for society through its embrace of ethical business practices. So we are going to tour through marketing and explain why it is important and decide what the 4 P's are in your process. So follow along as we continue our journey.